What's up guys? I'm Tom. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my favorite Chinese dishes, shrimp fried rice. It's really yummy and simple to make. We can totally make it at home. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of rice and wash the rice several times until the water is clear. Make sure to use fresh water each time. It's quite important. It will make the cooked rice less sticky. By the way, I'm using the Chinese style medium grain rice here. You can use any kind of rice you like. And we're going to soak the rice for 30 minutes so we can get perfectly cooked rice, not hard at the core. Add the washed rice and 1 cup of water into a rice cooker. You may heard that fried rice is best made with day-old rice, but from my cooking experience, fresh cooked rice works too. We just need to spread the rice out on a tray and let them cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna do some choppings. We're going to dice the carrots, dice the onion, cut some green onions. Marinate the shrimps by adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper or black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cooking wine, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Crack 2 eggs. Separate the egg yolk from the whites. Then we're going to whisk the egg white and mix the yolk with the rice. Add some water to a pot. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and oil. It helps to maintain color and improve the flavor of the veggies. Once the water starts to boil, put the carrots and peas in. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Turn the heat to medium-low. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and egg whites. Stir fry until it cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. And cook the shrimps with medium-high heat. Cook about 20 to 25 seconds each side. Don't overcook the shrimp, otherwise they will become hard and chewy. I'm going to use a traditional Chinese wok to make the fried rice, since this kind of wok can handle the high cooking temperature. We're going to preheat the wok. Once we see the smoke, we're ready to add the oil. Add about 2 teaspoons of our oil. And then turn the heat to medium-low. And add the rice. Don't stir fry it immediately, let it cook for about 20 seconds. And then stir fry about 2 minutes. Season it with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. When the rice is trying to jump out of the wok, turn the heat to medium-high and add the onion first. Once we can smell the onion aroma, put everything else in except the green onion. Stir fry about 30 seconds. Add green onions, turn the heat to max high, stir fry about another 30 seconds. Give it a taste. And we're done. Okay guys, this is my homemade shrimp fried rice. If you try this recipe at home, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you like it. I will share more recipes every week. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next week.